So guys, getting rid of stretch mark is never an easy feat. A lot of people suffer from stretch marks, but they don't know what the right products to use. They don't have a routine for their stretch marks. They basically buy different products, try different things, and end up damaging their skin even further. Well, if you're one of these people, you are in luck, because today's video is going to be all about stretch marks, its causes and its treatments. And I'm also going to be giving out a detailed recipe, a full stretch mark oil recipe that is very sellable and that is very effective. So you don't want to miss any aspect of this video. Okay? So stretch mark occurs for a lot of reasons. One of the most common reason is hormonal imbalance. Another reason can be pregnancy. Stretch marks can occur if you gain weight drastically or if you lose weight drastically. And the most common type of stretch marks that always happen is due to reactions from whitening products, whitening creams, whitening soaps. They tend to leave stretch marks on your skin. Okay, so the first thing that you need to know when it comes to the treatment of stretch marks is whatever topical product you're using, whatever tropical formulation you're using is not going to be enough. You need to back it up with a supplement, a collagen supplement, to be very specific. Okay, so you can buy any collagen supplements in the market depending on your price range. Just make sure to use consistency. Like everything when it comes to cosmetics, consistency is key. So the first thing you need is a collagen supplement. Okay, now once you have your supplements, the next thing you need to do, especially if your stretch mark is caused by whitening product, is to immediately stop the use of that whitening product. Okay, any whitening product that is causing you stretch mark is not rightly formulated, so you need to stop the use of that product immediately. If you're also very serious about fading off your stretch mark, you need to have a stretch mark set. Okay, you need a scrub, you need a soap, you need a cream or an oil for your stretch mark. Okay, so for your scrub, for that particular area, you need to get a coffee scrub. Yes, you can go out and buy an over-the-counter coffee scrub, but an organic coffee scrub is what you need. Something that will specifically make to repair your skin. I have a video of a coffee scrub on this channel, very effective coffee scrub that you can always use as a reference point for making yours. So any coffee scrub will do really. If you can't make that, you can always go out and buy something as simple as Ashanti body scrub, the coffee variant. Also, it's also worthy of note to tell you that once you are trying to treat your stretch mark, you need to stop using whitening products on the affected area. So if you have your stretch mark on your arm, let's say, or by your chest, you need to stop using whitening products on that area. You can apply your whitening products on the rest of your body, but for those specific areas, you need to give them time to heal. You need to let your skin recuperate. So once you're done using your scrub on that area, you need to use a stretch mark soap. Now there's this very beautiful stretch mark soap. It's called Torjon. I hope that's the pronunciation. I'm going to insert a picture in this video. So you need to get that soap. It's a very effective stretch mark soap. It works to fade off scars, it works to fade off stretch marks, and it also works as a anti-pigmentation soap. Okay, so it treats dark areas, dark knees, dark feet, that sort of thing. It's an organic soap, so consistent use of this soap and you are going to definitely see results. You are going to see that your stretch marks will slowly begin to fade over time. So the next thing after scrubbing and having using your stretch mark soap, the next is to moisturize the area. You can do this by using your moisturizer, your simple body moisturizer or your body butter. Just apply a bit of it to that area, and then you can go in with your stretch mark product. Okay, for this particular video, I'm going to be giving you a recipe for a very effective stretch mark oil. Let me get my notebook. You should also get yours so you can take notes. This is going to be a very simple product that you can make, but you can cash out selling this product. Okay, So the first thing you are going to need is your python fat and cow ghee. These are the most excellent products when it comes to fading off stretch marks because they are very natural products. They are going to help your skin heal. They are going to fade off your stretch marks in as little as 4 weeks. You're going to begin to see like serious effects within 4 weeks of using this product. And also, let me tell you, this is not a magic product. It's not like whitening products where under 2 weeks you're beginning to see results. Stretch marks take time before they occur, and most people don't treat them on time. So when you're using this oil, you have to use it consistently and you have to be patient. Okay, I promise you that it's what it's going to pay up eventually. So you need your python fat and you need your cow ghee at 10% each. Then you need your larissa oil and your vitamin E oil. Your larissa oil, you'll be using that at 20%, your vitamin E oil at 5%. Then you need your lavender essential oil or really any other essential oil that you have. Okay, now the reason why we are choosing lavender is because of the fragrance, because of the smell, and also lavender is also very good when it comes to healing scars and healing the skin and healing stretch marks. Okay, so you will need your lavender essential oil at 2%. You need your glycerin at 5%, your propylene glycol at 4%. You need your xanthan gum at 1%. You also need your collagen oil at 10%, your Shenic stage 2. Okay, Shenic stage 2 at 10%. You need your Jamal Plus at 2%, your argan oil at 20%, and your fragrance oil at 1%. Make sure you do not skip out on the fragrance oil because the python fat and the cow ghee has a bit of an offensive smell, so the fragrance and the lavender oil will help with that a bit. Okay, now making this oil is very simple. All you need to do, the most important thing, is to get your xanthan gum in a container and then you dissolve your xanthan gum with your glycerin. Not whitening glycerin, vegetable glycerin. Once you dissolve your xanthan gum with your vegetable glycerin, you keep it aside and then you pour out your other oils into a bowl, right? Once you pour out your oils, you add in your xanthan gum into that and you give it a thorough whisk. And that it's as simple as that. You have your stretch mark oil. This product is the bomb. You can sell this product and you can use this product personally. You're going to see results. I'm going to be posting the complete recipe on the screen, so don't worry about. So guys, there you have it. Once you are ready to treat your stretch marks, you just need to follow these simple processes. Get a collagen supplement. You also get an organic coffee scrub. You get your Tojun soap. Then you can make this oil for yourself. It's a very simple recipe. You don't need to dissolve anything aside your xanthan gum, and you don't need to heat anything up. Dissolve your xanthan gum in your glycerin, make your oil, and apply morning and night. Okay, within 1 month the result will blow your mind away. Now if you enjoyed this video, if you found it informative, do not forget to like, do not forget to share this video with family and friends. Anybody that you know suffering from stretch mark, really help a brother, help a sister, and help my channel grow also. On that note, also do not forget to click on the subscribe button below to join the Bloom Skincare family. Turn on your post notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. See you in my next video, guys.